Hi and welcome to Creative Kids. Let's get started. How much do you know about animals and birds? What is the fastest land animal? A cheetah, B. Lion, C. Horse. Answer: A. Cheetah. Which bird is known for its ability to mimic human speech? A sparrow, B. Parrot, C. Crow. Answer: B. Parrot. What is the largest mammal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Blue whale, C. Lion. Answer: B. Blue whale. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A tiger, B. Elephant, C. Lion. Answer: C. Lion. What is the primary diet of a panda? A. Bamboo, B. Fish, C. Fruits. Answer: A. Bamboo. Which bird is a symbol of peace? A dove, B. Hawk, C. Owl. Answer: A. Dove. How many legs does a spider have? A 6, B. 8, C. 10. Answer: B. 8. Which animal is known for having a pouch to carry its young? A. Koala, B. Kangaroo, C. Penguin. Answer: B. Kangaroo. What is the tallest animal in the world? A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Ostrich. Answer: B. Giraffe. Which bird is known for its long migration journey? A. Penguin, B. Albatross, C. Arctic tern. Answer: C. Arctic tern. What is the largest species of bear? A grizzly bear, B. Polar bear, C. Panda bear. Answer: B. Polar bear. Which animal is known as the ship of the desert? A camel, B. Elephant, C. Llama. Answer: A. Camel. Which bird is known for its distinctive laugh-like call? A crow, B. Kookaburra, C. Parrot. Answer: B. Kookaburra. What type of animal is a Komodo dragon? A mammal, B. Bird, C. Reptile. Answer: C. Reptile. Which bird is known for its ability to fly backwards? A. Hummingbird, B. Sparrow, C. Swan. Answer: A. Hummingbird. What is the most common mammal in the world? A. Human, B. Bat, C. Rat. Answer: A. Human. Which animal is known for changing its color to blend with its surroundings? A. Octopus, B. Chameleon, C. Frog. Answer: B. Chameleon. What is the largest species of cat? A lion, B. Leopard, C. Tiger. Answer: C. Tiger. Which bird lays the largest eggs? A. Eagle, B. Ostrich, C. Penguin. Answer: B. Ostrich. What is a group of lions called? A pack, B. Herd. C. Pride. Answer: C. Pride. Which animal is known for its black and white stripes? A tiger. B. Zebra. C. Panda. Answer: B. Zebra. Which bird is known for its impressive memory and caching behavior? A crow. B. Robin. C. Sparrow. Answer: A. Crow. Which mammal is known for using echolocation? Dolphin. B. Elephant. C. Bat. Answer: C. Bat. Which animal is known for being the largest living reptile? A. Alligator. B. Komodo dragon. C. Saltwater crocodile. Answer: C. Saltwater crocodile. What is the national bird of the United States? A. Bald eagle. B. Golden eagle. C. Cardinal. Answer: A. Bald eagle.